Here is the best time management and organizational strategy for INFPs. So you want to get big things done, right? But things get in the way, people get in the way. Sometimes you just don't feel like doing what you know you got to do in order to get the stuff done. So what you need to do, and this is from my own experience, is to determine what it is, the outcome that you want to have in your life. What is the identity that is required to succeed with that outcome? So if you want to draw and paint all day for a living, well, then you need to be an artist. And if you're an artist, what are the beliefs that you have? What are the actions that you're taking? What are the capabilities that you're doing as an artist? What is the environment that you're in? Then you want to create strategies and routines to live into that. So an artist practices art. They show up every day. They produce a lot of art. So you need to wrap that into your life strategy. What is the routine that you're doing every day that is non-negotiable, that you are going to continue doing even as you are successful in the future? I hope that makes sense. So make sure that you add that into your routine. Whether you feel like it or not, you got to do it. If I want to be a successful YouTuber, well, I have to make videos. I can't do it any other way, right? And continue to do that until you make it a routine, until you make it something that has become so habitual that it feels more uncomfortable not doing it. And the first 30 days or so is, likely going to have ups and downs. Just don't break the chain 2 days in a row. So if you don't produce art one day, make sure you do it the next day. Because 2 days then starts to go into 3 days and then 4 days. So make sure that you don't break that chain for more than a day. Reward yourself for your effort in creating the life that you want to live and make it happen. And the rest of the stuff all falls into place because you have organized your life into what is required for the outcome to be fulfilled. Let me know down below in the comments what rang true to you in this video. See you there.